What are you doing? You have the towels from the kitchen? What are you doing? You have the towels from the kitchen? Hey guys, happy Vlogmas. Today is day 4. No, hold on. Today is day 5 of Vlogmas. Sorry about that. And today is just going to be a chill, like, vlog, basically. Sunday is my day to just enjoy church service, kind of prep for the week ahead, do Sunday dinner, and get some stuff around the house done if I need to. So like today I'm doing Kaya's diapers. If you guys don't know, like, we do cloth diapers for Kaya. And also I am going to be baking today. I, from time to time, love being able to make, like, baked goods that my husband can take to his job and share with everyone. So, we've got some bananas that are, like, kind of going bad right now. So, I am going to take the bananas and I'm basically just going to make some banana muffins with a streusel topping. Kaya and I sampled one. Did you like it? Is it good? What do you think? But this banana muffin, she has loved it. Absolutely loved it. She's gonna eat some more now.